This module shows how to equip the MSS 8 or 4 with your plug-in board. MSS 8 contains 2 slots for the core board, 6 slots for the generic plug-in boards, and 1 slot for the fan unit. In each of these slots, rails are provided to align the board with the pins in the back plane during the insertion. Screw holes are also provided to secure the board in its place on the MSS. Before handling any of the boards, it is mandatory to wear the electrostatic wristband. In general, to insert a board, slide it on the rails of the desired slot, holding it with both hands. Pull back the screws in order to facilitate the insertion. Gently seat the board by pushing both left and right handles together. Finally, secure the board by tightening the 2 screws. To remove a board, unfasten the screws. Pull back the handles using both hands and slide the board out. Remember that before inserting any core board, main or spare, you must insert the flash card that contains the license and the embedded software necessary for the core board operation. To insert the flash card, verify its proper orientation by making sure that the license sticker is upwards and the pinholes face the inside of the board. Push the flash card until you hear a click. On the flash card packaging, remove the sticker holding the MAC address and stick it on the MSS. Finally, place the dummy plates in the empty slot. The board's installation is now finished.